Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share and comment. Conversation between two friends. Repeat after me. Raj, hi Ria. I am glad to meet you. We haven't seen each other for ages. Ria, yes Raj, I am happy to see you again. Where have you been? I have missed you a lot all this time. Raj, well, my dad got a job in Jharkhand and my brother and my parent had to go there. Ria, I suppose you can speak Hindi. Now it's an easy language. Raj, in fact, I can speak a little Hindi, but I have to continue learning. They seem to speak too fast sometimes. Ria, are you staying here long? Would you like to have something with me this evening? Raj, we have come back just for a week. My parents have to go to the bank to do something. Raj, what about you? Did you finish the secondary school? What are you doing now? Going to the university, perhaps? Ria, yes, I finished the secondary and now I am attending an academy to become a singer. As you can remember, I love singing. Ria, are you free this evening? We could meet at 7:30 at the pub. Raj, yes, I remember your nice voice. I will be at the pub at 7:30. Will you sing for me?